Alright fam, I am doing something totally spontaneous, but I'm going to record it obviously. I am getting my brows microbladed. I've kind of, like, there's a part of me that's definitely been tempted to do this, but then another part of me that's like, no, you'll ruin your face. Like, you know, the genuine fear and nerves, like, you're gonna get scars, scar tissue, your eyebrows will never look the same. What if I'm 50 and my eyebrows will never look the same? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I always think about future stuff before I do things. That's why I don't have any tattoos. So I don't know. I've always been nervous about doing microblading, but I recently had Honey Brows reach out to me and ask if I would like to have my brows microbladed. Asked a bunch of questions, and that's like the big thing, is asking. Of course, there's gonna be horror stories for anything that you see out there. So I thought, what the heck? And I am also a super spontaneous person. I'm an impulse shopper. I love doing things on a whim. Planning things is cool, but when it comes to doing something without any kind of planning, I'm like, let's do it! So I am here in Braunfels. I'm where Slitterbond is at. I'm here and I'm doing the damn thing. I do want to say, I keep looking at myself because I'm like, hey, is she cute? This appointment is literally spontaneous. She was like, can you do today? And I was like, hell yeah, why not? So I left the office, drove an hour and a half to get here. And I also had an audition this morning. I had to send in a tape audition. So I do have my brows filled in, not like dramatically, but they are filled in. You are not supposed to go to your microblading appointment with makeup on your brows, okay? Luckily, she's got makeup remover in her office, so we're good. Do I think I'm in desperate need of microblading? No. I have eyebrows, like, they exist. But I'm so interested in microblading. Like, why not? My eyebrows are different, so I'm totally excited to get them done and have them be matchy-matchy, so I'm just gonna go in and maybe do like a little video of the shop so you guys can see what it looks like in there, but wish me luck. So if I had oily skin, would I not be a candidate for microblading?
So not necessarily. It depends on, obviously, the artist that you choose, but like the technique, you know, because if you go too deep into oily skin, that's when it kind of blurs, and a lot of people...
Like the shading.
Exactly. So I've had success with oily skin before. How was that?
It's fine.
Sometimes I can get like a feel of some pain threshold whenever they feel like that's too much.
I think I'm more abusive to my skin than you are.
Are you?
That didn't hurt at all.
I want to put some cellophane on top to warm this area up.
Ah, I saw this in pictures.
Right, I was gonna say this.
And I was like, what is going on? How the hell do you learn how to do that? That's amazing. Not bad.
So that's that ash brown that I put on top.
There was also another pass that Jessica did right after this one, but she asked me not to record it to keep her technique private. Okay, all done. The whole process took about 2 hours total. The microblading part took about 40 minutes, maybe a little bit less. And I mean, this is lit. Like, my brows are perfect. So I'm very excited, but I'm going to update you guys tomorrow to show y'all what they look like. But I love them. They look amazing. Okay, currently at a stoplight, but I just wanted to know before I really got on the road that my brows are stinging. Like, it's very subtle, it's not that bad. but it's they're stinging and they're a little sore, but that's it. Other than that, really no pain. The process was not very painful. The weirdest thing that was like cringeworthy for me was the sound. It was like that was cringeworthy. I was like, what's going on? But the numbing cream definitely worked, so it really was not that painful. She did thread my eyebrows and then tweeze, and that hurt more than the microblading itself. Just saying, just saying. Good morning. Okay, so this is the morning of day 2. I was right in the middle of doing my eye makeup, and then I was like, wait, I should probably show them what my brows look like without a full face of makeup on. Yeah, they're dark, because they're darker than they were yesterday. They're still a little bit red, but the tightness is gone, the soreness is gone, the stinging is gone. But yeah, they still look pretty amazing. And they're dark, so they're not even going to be this color whenever they're done healing. They're going to get a lot lighter than this, and I still like them, so... Hashtag blessed. Wow, okay, it has been 5 months. I don't know if it's gonna focus very well. I've got the light on me and it's still kind of wanting to fluctuate, but it's fine. It has been 5 months since I got my brows microbladed, and I can honestly say I love it. I don't know what took me so long. I don't know what I was afraid of, and I honestly can't remember what it feels like to have patchy brows. I'm going to drop a before and after photo here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. She killed it. This is what they look like completely healed. They look so freaking natural. She wanted to go a shade darker. Usually when she puts a slime on, it looks black, but I wanted lighter, natural looking brows. So I asked her to do a lighter brown, and that's what she did. What I have now is fantastic. I am literally, I'm not kidding, I'm so happy that I did it. Now, microblading brows last 12 to 18 months. Afterwards, you go in for touch-ups, and I mean, you literally just live your best brow life. Like, they look so, I know you see it. Like, I know you see it. I know. Y'all don't know. It's y'all probably too young for that. Anyways, so, okay, these are my brows with nothing on. No makeup, nothing. I've got makeup on my face, but I did not put anything on my brows. So this is what they look like. Just kidding. So if you are in the Austin, Texas area, I would definitely make the drive down to go see my brows. Literally changed my life for the better. I will never go back. If you guys have any questions, anything that I missed at all, drop them down in the comments and I will be sure to be on the lookout for them. Okay? That's it. Thank you guys for watching.